Okay, so we're going to be working with law of sines. So the law of sines formula is sine of angle A over side A, sine of angle B over side B, and sine of angle C over C. Now law of sines, the triangles, you have to draw a triangle. They're not going to be drawn to scale. They're going to be oblique triangles. They can't be right triangles. So in this case, it gives you side A, angle A, and angle C. So I'm first going to draw my triangle. It is not drawn to scale at all. Now we're going to label our sides. We have side A, side B, and side C. After you have that, now you have to label your sides. Your sides are going to be the ones opposite to your angle. So it's going to be side A, this is going to be side B, and this is going to be side C. Now, this example, it already gives us some values, so now we plug them into triangle. So now we have side A, which equals 8, we have angle A, which is 60, and then we have angle C, which is 40. Now our missing values, we have to find B, angle B, side B, and side C. What I always look first is to see if it gives me already two angles, I can find my third angle, which in this case it does. So I add up my angles, 60 plus 40 equals 100. Now I do 180 minus 100, which equals 80 degrees, and this is my angle B. So 80 degrees is my angle B. Now I have B. So now I go back to my law of sines, and now I can start plugging in numbers to figure out my other missing values. So sine of angle A, well, angle A is 60, so I plug that in, over side A, which is 8. Now sine of angle B, which is 80, over side B, which we do not know yet. And then sine of angle C, which is 40, over side C, which we don't know yet. So if you want to start with these two, you can't, because you have two missing values, which is going to be impossible to solve. So first you want to start with the values here. Now you only have one missing value here, so you can do some solving and you can find it. So we're going to solve these two first to find side B. So you do sine of 60. Well, I'm just going to rewrite this first so I don't get messed up. And B. So now you want to solve. You can either plug it in your calculator, which sine of 60 is going to be 0.8660 over 8 equals sine of 80, which is 0.9848 over B. Now I'm just rounding I'm rounding to the 4 decimal places. There's longer numbers, but I just round to that to make it shorter. Now you just want to cross multiply. You solve, and it gives you 9.098. So your side B is going to be 9.098. Now, but you're not done, because you still have to find side C. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to rewrite my values. So this is going to stay the same. Now we found side B, which is 9.098, which equals sine of 40, which we do not know our side C. Now what I do is I just solve, because now I found my missing value. Now I can find C. So I'm just going to rewrite this once again, sine of 80 over side B over sine of 40 over C. Now you're going to do the same thing you did here, some cross multiplying, and C will give you 5.94. So now you found your side C, which is 5.94, and your problem solving of law of sines is done, because now you have all the angles and now you have all the sides. So you are done.